Hello everybody, welcome to Istanbul, one of my favorite cities in the world. Today, we're skipping the tourist checklist and diving into the real Istanbul. The hidden gems, the local favorites, the places that tell the city's true story. Get ready to wander cobblestone streets, taste unforgettable flavors, and meet the people who make this city so special. This isn't just a tour, it's an invitation to experience Istanbul's heart and soul. So grab your notebook or just get ready to dream, because these are the spots you'll want on your bucket list. Let's go make some friends and eat some amazing food. Our first stop is Balat, a vibrant district nestled in the heart of Istanbul. It's a neighborhood bursting with color and history, where every cobblestone street whispers tales of centuries past. Here, historic wooden houses in pinks, blues and yellows create a stunning visual tapestry. These charming homes lean together like old friends, sharing secrets and stories across generations. Once the heart of the Jewish quarter, Balat has a rich and diverse heritage. Balat is a mosaic of cultures, a testament to Istanbul's long history as a crossroads of civilizations. Jewish, Greek, Armenian, all living side by side, creating a unique and harmonious community. Kids play soccer in the streets, their laughter echoing through the colorful alleyways. Laundry hangs overhead, adding to the neighborhood's vibrant and lived-in atmosphere. And the rich, inviting smell of Turkish coffee fills the air, beckoning you to relax and savor the moment. Duck into a quirky cafe for homemade cake and local art, a perfect way to soak in the neighborhood's unique charm. Or just wander and let the street art guide you, each piece a vibrant expression of Balat's soul. Murals tell the neighborhood's story, turning every wall into an open-air gallery, a visual feast for the senses. My advice? Put away the map and follow your senses. Let the sights, sounds, and smells of Balat be your guide. Balat isn't just a place to see, it's a place to feel, to experience the true heart and soul of Istanbul. The joy here is contagious, spreading from the locals to every visitor who steps foot in this magical place, and every corner holds a new surprise, a hidden detail waiting to be discovered. It's a hug from the city itself, a warm and welcoming embrace that will stay with you long after you leave. Next on our journey, we're going to ascend to Pierre Loti Hill, a location steeped in history and offering unparalleled views. Prepare yourself for a view that will simply take your breath away. It's a panorama that etches itself into your memory. We'll ride the cable car, gliding silently over ancient Ottoman tombstones, a silent city beneath our feet. We're floating above history, suspended between the present and the echoes of the past. At the top, the majestic Golden Horn sparkles far below, a ribbon of light winding through the city. Bridges connect continents, symbols of unity spanning the waters, and the sprawling city stretches out in all directions, an endless tapestry of life and history. Find a comfortable seat in the charming tea garden and slowly sip Turkish tea, letting its warmth fill you. Just relax and watch the world go by at its own pace. As the sun begins to set, the light gently changes, and the entire city glows with a warm, inviting light. For a brief moment, everything around you feels incredibly peaceful and still. Couples, lost in their own worlds, families sharing laughter, and solo travelers finding solace in the view, all share this profound sense of calm and connection. It's the perfect antidote to the city's vibrant energy, a welcome escape from the hustle and bustle. A quiet place to reflect on your journey and recharge your spirit. Don't rush your experience. Allow the breathtaking view and the surrounding serenity to fully sink in. Pierre Loti Hill is where you can discover Istanbul's quiet, understated magic. Pure, unadulterated serenity. A memory to cherish long after you leave. Now let's step into a hidden masterpiece, the Kora Church. Modest on the outside, inside it dazzles with 14th century Byzantine mosaics and frescoes. Gold tiles catch the light, telling stories of Christ and the Virgin Mary with breathtaking detail. Every inch is a testament to human creativity and devotion. You don't just see the art, you feel it. Even non-religious visitors are moved by the beauty and emotion here. The Kora Church is a quiet, awe-inspiring reminder of Istanbul's layered history. Make the journey. It's a golden secret worth discovering, a little bit of heaven hidden in plain sight. Next door to Balat is Fener, Istanbul's historic Greek quarter. Here, Narrow, winding streets lead to the Patriarchate of Constantinople, the spiritual heart of the Eastern Orthodox Church. Inside the Church of St. George, the scent of incense and the glow of gold icons create an atmosphere of deep reverence. Pilgrims come to touch a relic believed to be from the column of Christ, connecting past and present. Fina is a living link to Byzantine history, a place where faith and tradition endure. Walking these streets, you feel the weight of centuries and the city's diverse identity. It's a soulful, contemplative corner of Istanbul, another layer in the city's rich tapestry. Time to relax, Ottoman style at the historic Süleymaniye Hammam. Built in the 1550s, this bathhouse is a living piece of history. Wrap yourself in a pestamel, step onto the heated marble, and let the steam melt your stress away. The telak scrubs you clean with a kizimet, then covers you in fragrant bubbles for a massage. It's more than a bath. It's a centuries-old ritual of renewal. Couples and families can enjoy it together, making it extra special. You leave feeling lighter, softer, and completely reborn. For a true taste of Ottoman culture, this is a must. The ultimate Istanbul reset. Refreshed and hungry, we cross the Bosphorus to Karakoy market on the Asian side. This is where locals shop, eat, and connect. A vibrant maze of sights, sounds, and flavors. Sample midye dolma, stuffed mussels, smoky kokorek, and home-style dishes at Esnaf Lokantazi. The market is alive with shouting vendors, colorful produce, and the aroma of spices. It's not just about food, it's about community. Neighbors greet each other, shopkeepers know your name, and families gather to eat. Every bite tells a story of Istanbul's daily life. Exploring Karakoy is a delicious, authentic adventure. This is the city's beating heart, and your stomach will thank you. After the market's buzz, find peace in Yildiz Park, a former sultan's hunting ground turned public oasis. Ancient trees, winding paths, and hidden ponds create a lush escape from the city. Ottoman pavilions turned cafes offer coffee with a royal view of the Bosphorus. Families picnic, couples stroll, and kids chase squirrels under the shade. It's where Istanbulites come to breathe and recharge. Even in a city of millions, nature is never far away. Yildiz Park is the city's green lung, a place to reconnect with yourself, a royal retreat for everyone. Need a bigger escape? Hop a ferry to the Prince's Islands in the Sea of Marmara. No cars here, just bikes, horse carriages, and the sound of sea breezes. On Bu Yukada, stroll past Victorian mansions and pine forests, or hike up to St. George Monastery for panoramic views. Lunch is simple: bread, cheese, olives, enjoyed with a view that's pure magic. The islands are a true retreat, slow-paced, peaceful, and full of charm. It's island life, Istanbul style. Take in the sunset on the ferry ride back, watching the city lights twinkle. The perfect day trip and a memory you'll never forget. Another face of Istanbul revealed. For something different, explore the Rahmi Emkok Museum, a wonderland of science, industry, and history. Housed in a former anchor foundry, it's packed with classic cars, vintage planes, and even a real submarine you can tour. Interactive exhibits let you step into Istanbul's past, from old trams to recreated city streets. It's hands-on, fun, and perfect for curious minds of all ages. The museum celebrates Turkish innovation and the machines that shaped modern life. It's not just for history buffs. It's for anyone who loves discovery, a hidden gem that shows Istanbul's inventive spirit. Absolutely fantastic. And now, for our final gem, a true jewel of the Bosphorus. It's the absolutely stunning Ortaköy Mosque, a sight that will leave you breathless. It's perched right on the edge of the Bosphorus Strait, with the majestic Bosphorus Bridge soaring gracefully behind it, creating a picture-perfect scene. Its unique neo-Baroque design is truly captivating, and the huge, expansive windows allow natural light to flood the interior space, creating a serene and uplifting atmosphere. The way it reflects on the water makes it seem like it's almost floating, adding to its ethereal charm. The surrounding Ortaköy neighborhood is incredibly lively and vibrant, with a bustling waterfront square that's always full of talented artists showcasing their work, and charming cafes spilling out onto the pavements. And while you're here, don't miss the famous kumpir, a massive, loaded baked potato piled high with delicious toppings. It's practically a meal in itself. Find a spot by the water, savor every bite, and soak in the incredible view of the mosque, the bridge, and the endless parade of ships passing by. This special spot perfectly captures the vibrant spirit of Istanbul, where the old seamlessly blends with the new, and where East beautifully meets West. While it might not be the largest mosque you'll see, its undeniable beauty and breathtaking setting make it an experience that's truly unforgettable. It's a perfect summary of our incredible journey through this magical city. I absolutely love this city, and I hope you do too. That's a wrap on our Istanbul adventure. From Balat's colors to the Prince's Island's peace, we've seen the city's true heart. I hope you felt like you were right here with me, discovering hidden gems and unforgettable flavors. When you travel, seek out these local treasures. They're where the best memories are made. Let me know which spot you're adding to your bucket list in the comments. If you enjoyed this journey, like, subscribe, and share with a fellow traveler. Until next time, stay curious, stay hungry, and keep exploring. Bye!